Alright, I'm getting ready to unbox my Black+Decker new edger. I'm gonna assemble it and then I'm gonna test it. So if this video helps you out, hit the like and subscribe button. Link will be in the description for the product. Of course, I got it off of Amazon. And let's go from there. Start opening this thing up. Oh, this is the blades. One of the blades. Looks like a saw. Assembling the tube handle tubes. Remove two knobs. Remove tape that secures. Remove tape which secures internal jacketed cable to tubes. Remove tape. I wonder if you're supposed to remove these. It's not tape. Yeah, that's what they want you to do. So I gotta cut this stuff off. Man, I ought to struggle with that for 15 minutes. Oops. It's all right, Bubba. Okay. Now let's put it at the highest setting because I'm tall. Maybe yeah, we'll go to the low. We'll push them all the way in and adjust if necessary. Trying to do this on my boat for demonstration purposes. Drop the one on the floor. There it is. I got a cold right now, so if I sound raspy, it's because I am. Okay, there we go. So it does have a spare blade and a couple spare washers. There we go. Black+Decker. I think it was $100. Okay, this little lever here, this thing is dual purpose. It does trenching and edging. So for trenching, you want it all the way up, which it's all the way up. For edging, you gotta push that and push it down. Let's see what it does from this view. It's a little guide there. Simple. And then the front has a depth guide of 1 inch, 1.25, and 1.5 inches. I don't know how to move this. Oh, it's right here. Golly. So you have to unscrew it. We'll leave it at 1 inch. Looks like you gotta take it all the way out. One. And then 1.5. Lost them. Down. It's the first time I've ever used one of these. We'll go up here and look at my line. Got a little thick up here. So I'm going to do the rest of the yard, or actually the rest of the driveway and my front sidewalk, and then put this tool away probably for 2 years until it needs done again. Right, Finn? A little bit of a struggle right there.